Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 12. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to build a Nomad-Friendly Retainer so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. By the end of this episode, you'll have a travel-ready 5K plus retainer template and a negotiation script you can use on your next client call. Let's get into it. Hook. Picture this. You're in Chiang Mai, laptop open at a cafe, and 2 clients email you at once asking for urgent changes that weren't in the contract. You say yes, you work late, and at the end of the month, your bank balance barely moved. That cycle, low rates, invisible scope creep, and exhaustion is why so many nomads end up trading freedom for constant firefighting. Today, I want to flip that script. Promise. In the next 9 minutes, I'll walk you through what a Nomad-Friendly Retainer actually is, then give you a 3-step blueprint to design one. Define the outcome, build async delivery with energy caps, and replace hourly work with milestone payments plus AI leverage. You'll also hear a real Nomad case study and a 3-minute immediate action you can do from any airport lounge. What is a Nomad-Friendly Retainer? At its core, it's an outcome-first contract built for travel, async-first delivery, capped weekly effort to protect your energy, clear SLAs so decisions don't stall, and built-in AI and templates to improve efficiency. Instead of billing by hours, you anchor price to a measurable client result, a growth metric, a deliverable milestone, or a performance outcome, and you design the workflow so it fits your travel rhythm. Imagine a contract where you commit to driving X leads per month or producing Y pieces of high-converting copy over a quarter with 3 async review cycles and a 6 to 8 hour weekly cap. The client gets consistent progress and you keep your schedule predictable and portable. That's the framework.
Step 1. Define the high-value outcome. Choose a single measurable result you can reasonably influence. Not vague, improve brand, but increase qualified leads by 30% in 90 days, or deliver 8 conversion-focused landing pages and A/B tests across 2 campaigns. Set 1 primary KPI and 1 secondary KPI. Then anchor price to the value of that outcome, not to your time. Ask, if this outcome happens, how much revenue or savings does it create for the client? Use a conservative estimate and price at 10 to 20% of the projected first-year value for early-stage clients, more for proven impact. Put client responsibilities in the contract, access, approvals, creative assets, so the outcome depends on both sides, not just you.
Step 2. Design async delivery and energy caps. This is where you make the retainer nomad-friendly. Create a weekly time cap, 6, 8, or 12 hours. And document the expected cadence. For example, Mondays you deliver the update doc, Wednesdays you send drafts, Fridays are for consolidated feedback. Use async tools, Loom for walkthroughs, Notion for progress logs, and defined review windows, 48-hour feedback SLA, 72 hours for approvals on major decisions. That predictable rhythm prevents constant interruptions and keeps deliverables moving even when you're changing time zones. Pack 1 quick synchronous call per month for alignment and use an onboarding week at the start to lock in the client's decision makers and communication norms. Step 3. Replace time with milestones and AI leverage. Break the retainer into milestone-based payments tied to outcomes, kickoff payment, mid-campaign milestone, and a performance or delivery milestone. Milestones reduce late disputes and make cash flow predictable. Then use AI and repeatable templates to justify your premium rate. AI-assisted research briefs, first draft generation for copy, automated reporting dashboards that surface the KPI changes you promised. These tools don't replace your craft. They compress busy work so your strategic time is more valuable. Offer optional premium add-ons, faster SLAs, weekly strategy office hours, or paid testing budgets to push engagements over 5K without increasing your weekly cap. Real Nomad example. I worked with a copywriter named Maya who was juggling 2 $2,000 monthly clients. Both wanted edits and quick turnarounds at unpredictable times. We packaged their similar needs into a single $6,000 monthly retainer. Outcome? Increase email revenue by 20% via 2 monthly funnels. delivery, 4 long-form emails and 2 funnel audits per month. Weekly cap, 10 hours. Async reviews with a 48-hour feedback SLA. Milestone payments at kickoff and at 30 days. On the negotiation call, she framed the combined offer around consolidated impact and simplified decision-making. The clients loved the clarity and agreed because the retainer reduced their own coordination costs. Maya doubled her income while gaining 2 full travel days a week back.
How to scale without burnout. Codify your SOPs for onboarding, revisions, and reporting so you don't reinvent the wheel for each client. Hire a fractional operator or junior to handle routine work and keep client-facing hours limited to your highest value activities. Create pricing bands, core retainer, premium retainer with faster SLAs, and add-on advisory blocks so you can upsell without adding daily workload. And be selective. Choose clients whose systems and decision makers match your async style. The goal is to increase revenue per client, not to increase reactive hours.
Immediate action. 3-minute retainer fill. Grab a sheet and answer these 3 prompts. 1. Define the single measurable outcome you will own. 2. Pick a weekly time cap you will not exceed. 3. Choose 1 KPI you'll report monthly. That's it. If you do this now, you've got the bones of a Nomad-friendly retainer you can test with an existing client in a single conversation.
Recap and CTA. Quick recap. Outcome-first pricing. Async delivery with energy caps. Milestone payments plus AI and templates to increase efficiency. If you want ready-made contract templates, negotiation scripts, and async playbooks, I put together the Nomad Retainer Kit that includes a sample $5,000 retainer, email sequences to convert existing clients, and onboarding checklists. Head to the course page to download the kit and enroll in the full Nomad where we role-play negotiation calls and refine real contracts together. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results. Remember, your skills are your freedom currency. Charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. Thanks for listening. I'm Aria Reyes, and I'll see you tomorrow.